In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to amend a tax return on TurboTax. Whether you made a mistake or discovered additional information after filing, amending your return is a straightforward process with TurboTax. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the TurboTax online platform for the tax year 2025. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will allow you to access your previously filed tax return. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Other Tax Situations. This is where you can find options that might not be part of the standard tax return process, and it's a crucial step in amending your return. Next, within the Other Tax Situations section, you'll want to click on Other Tax Forms. This is the area where TurboTax provides access to various forms and processes that go beyond the typical tax filing. By selecting this, you're getting closer to the specific task of amending your return. Now, look for the option to amend a return. Clicking on this will initiate the amendment process. TurboTax will guide you through the steps necessary to update the information on your original tax return. It's important to note that amending a return is different from simply correcting an error before filing. This process officially changes an already filed return. As you proceed, TurboTax will prompt you to enter the new or corrected information. Be sure to have all your documents handy, as you'll need to input the precise details to ensure your amended return is accurate. If you're changing information that affects your income, deductions, or credits, make sure you have the supporting documentation. Once you've entered all the necessary changes, TurboTax will walk you through the process of reviewing your amended return. It's crucial to double-check all the entries to make sure that everything is correct. TurboTax will also help you understand any changes to your refund or amount owed. After reviewing, you'll be able to file the amended return. Keep in mind that the amendment process involves submitting Form 1040X, which TurboTax will prepare for you. Unlike your original tax return, an amended return can't be e-filed. You'll need to print it out and mail it to the IRS. Make sure to follow any specific instructions provided by TurboTax regarding the mailing process. And there you have it. You've successfully amended your tax return using TurboTax. Remember, amending a return might take some time for the IRS to process, so be patient. If you have any further questions or need assistance, TurboTax offers various support options, including their online help center and customer service. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your tax return amended smoothly.